Well, there's a new space mission to the moon, and it's called the NASA Artemis mission. Now, the rocket looks a bit like the one that used to take the space shuttle into orbit. It's got the solid boosters on the side and then a main rocket in the center. It's a pretty cool looking thing. I'm going to make a drawing of it today, standing upright and ready for blastoff. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm starting. Here goes the drawing. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.